Hi guys, my name is Dee if you don't know, if you're new to my channel. And today I have an unboxing from Clear Jelly Stamper. I haven't ordered from them in a long time, but hey, this is how the package comes. They give you the breakdown of everything that's in the box. They give you the value. You have to be home to sign for it. They are out of Canada. They do sell international. Pretty box. And like I said, Clear Jelly Stamper. And I just bought a few things I want to share with y'all that I like using from them. And I also bought some other things that I haven't tried for them yet. I bought two of these, which I really actually like. I use these for my dust on my, when I do acrylics, any dust on the nails. I like to use these. They are very nice. I really like these plush brushes. I bought two of these. I really like this. I have not too many people sell these. They sell the pedicure, manicure brush. I'm sure y'all know what I'm saying. It's a little harder. I like using those too. I usually use those for my pedicures. And that's these right here. I also use them on nail if these are dirty, but I actually love these for the nails. Gets all in there. They're very easy to clean, sanitize, because sometimes when you have these, when they get old, it start getting that brown stuff in here, and I throw them away. But these don't do this. It's all the way plastic. It doesn't have no additional holes anywhere that seep through like these bristles here. And that's why I like these. Very easy to sanitize. It's clear all over. Very nice. I love these. It's not too many, like I said, it's not too many places that sell these, so when I do see them, I try to get my hands on. These brushes are just fabulous. They are so pretty. But what I bought these for is cleanup brushes, and you also can probably use these for gel applications, like if you want to do gels or something like that. Go ahead and open this. And I bought two of the same kind. They just gorgeous. Clear Jelly Stampers have stepped up their game. And I really bought these for cleanup brushes around the nail gel applications. Very nice. But on their website, they saying it's a cleanup brush. So that's why I ordered it. Very nice. Not sure if these are acrylic, not acrylic, acetone proof. I'm not sure about that, but I will try and test it out, and I'll give my feedback on this once I use acetone on them for a month or two and see how they respond to acetone. But very pretty, blinged out brush. Very nice. Have their logo on it as usual. The lady is very nice. When you order from them and you haven't ordered from them in a long time, she always send you a thank you note and everything, and give you a discount code. And she also asks if you need anything or if you have any questions, email her. Very nice lady. I think her name is Deborah, if I'm not mistaken. Deborah Duxbury. I always like to buy 3 of everything, but hey, I bought these 2. I like it that they have the top too, so that's nice. I'll have one at my nail desk and one at my pedicure station. I have the F brushes, but I think these are a little bit more fancier and cuter, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. If it don't work too good for that, I will use this for a gel application. So I might just try one with my acetone, and then if it doesn't, if it eats it up too much, I will use the other one for my gel application. So, you know. Okay, moving along. I bought a replacement head for my Big Bling, because I only had one when I tried it out. I bought another replacement head. I love the Big Bling. Favorite stamper by far. When I say Big Bling, this is what I'm talking about. It has and it comes out like that. You can see through it. Oh Lord, I'm scared to put acetone on here and clean this up, guys. I'm scared it's going to get kind of blurry, so I just left it on there. A little decorations, I guess. Polish, decorating. It's going to go all the way up, so I'm just going to leave it like that. The logo has actually rubbed off of here because of using acetone and everything, and that's how that looks. And I just bought a replacement head for that. Guys, if y'all haven't tried the Big Bling, trust me, it picks up every time. You might think it's kind of bulky looking to do it, but you can do small, big, medium images, and it's easy to see, it's easy to place. You know, you might think because it's so big you can't use it for small images, but you can, guys. It's very easy to use. Okay, and I bought polishes. I never ordered their polishes before. I never used their polishes before. And she gave me, looked like she gave me a clear. I'm not sure what this is. This is a gift. She gave me one gift, which is very nice. I ordered 4 colors, black, white, gold, and silver. And I have used the white one already, and I love how crisp it looks. It picks up nicely. Very crisp white. I'm very happy about that. And I got the black, the silver, and the gold. Let me see. The free gift, I think it's a clear top coat if I'm not mistaken. It's a clear polish to go over your stamping. That's a nice gesture. Thank you so much, Miss Deborah. And I'm not sure, it's a little candy up in here. I don't know if it's a candy or decoration, but it's like a autumn leaf. It's like an autumn leaf. I don't know what it is. I think it's just like an ornament. Oh, it's a candy. It's feel waxy. I'm scared to put my tongue on it. Lord. Who she can tell me what this is? Oh, it's candy. I smelled it. It's a candy. Okay, I bought 2 plates. I did, I think, did I have 2 plates? I have 1 plate. And it's the scroll plate. I had to get the scroll plate. Very nice. These are very nice to use. I actually used this image right here and put like a marquise rhinestone in the middle right there. I'm going to try to put the picture on there. My picture didn't come out too good, but I tried to put it on there. I used that image there. Very pretty images. I like these scrolls because it's very nice to use for a simple design, and you don't have to hand paint it. These look like very much hand painted scrolls, swirls, well, however you want to call it. Very nice plate. I had to get it. Okay, and I think that's it. And it's called the Victorian Flourish plates. It's CJ46. Very nice plate. Comes with a logo on the back. The edges are, yeah, I think this little back is what makes it not sharp. But nice plate. So that's what I ordered from Clear Jelly Stamper. And the polishes as well, the brushes, the big bling replacement, and that. I think if you order so much you get free shipping, and I think that's what I did. You have to order at least, I think, $70, something like that, to get free shipping, and I think that's what I did, if I'm not mistaken. If you don't, you have to pay shipping. And if it's coming from Canada, you're going to pay a little bit more steep shipping for that. But to me, shipping is not a big deal. I write off my shipping, everything. If I be charged shipping, I write it off at the end of the year. Not a big deal. But I know some people hate paying for shipping. But you have to realize that they have to make their money back from their product. And if they're paying for everybody's shipping, they're not going to much get a profit paying for shipping. But they do, if you order so much from them, then they can give you a discount on that shipping. And a lot of people need to understand that. And but sometimes the shipping can be steep. You know, I don't mind paying $5, $6 worth of shipping, but when you're talking about 10 and over shipping to ship small items like this, it's kind of pricey. So I'd just rather just go ahead and get the value deal for the free shipping and not worry about it. I'll just purchase what I really need. You know, I can use it. to get that free shipping. Alright guys, this is my little haul. They do have reviews on these stamping polishes. You know, I've heard good things about these stamping polishes, and I know they stamp well. I've been seeing reviews and everything on them. And if you want to see a review on these stamping polishes, how they look and everything, I'll try to leave a link below of a review that I've seen and how these colors stamps very, very well. Okay. Should I do it for you guys? Okay, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. Let me find... Go ahead and use this right here. I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use my old one. Same thing. This is how I've ordered it from them before. I didn't get a scraper with this order, and this is how their little card look. Gonna go ahead and use that. This stamping plate. Show y'all some images on there real quick. I'm such a sucker for y'all. Oh, okay, that's black. They don't have names of polish. They have numbers. That's number 1. That's number 2. What's on my nails is Color Club, the holographic polish. I love Color Club holographic polish. I think I got every one of them. They don't have a sticker on this one, but it's a silver one. And they don't have one on that, but they do have a number 26 bottle, and this is a number 2 bottle, but I don't think that's got anything to do with it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. They don't have any balls in there for them to shake. I like to put balls in them. I might put balls in them later on. This right here is a cutting board. I get good use out of this big bling, I'll tell you that. I try not to put no acetone on my stampers. I use the lint roller to get any leftover polish that might be on there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the white. I'm going to go ahead and use alcohol first, just to get all those fingerprints off of there, or dust or something I might have in there. You probably don't need much polish. That's how it looks. I'll roll it, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put it on there like that. Press down. Very nice. I shouldn't have put it on there because that's going to be kind of hard to see. I should have put it on a dark color. I don't know if y'all can see that pretty well, but that white is gorgeous. There. Oh my God, I'm wasting all my polish, y'all. I got polish all in the lid now. That's going to be a disaster. Sticking and everything else. I'm going to go ahead and do another white for y'all. Look at that. Very pretty. That's a nice scroll. Put rhinestones in there and everything. That's going to look fabulous. Okay, the black. Okay, let's see. Let's do this big one right here. And that's the black. This way. Roll it and pick up. Look how crisp that looks. Go ahead and put that one here. Nice. Okay, silver. This is a nice swirl plate, I tell you. Well thought out. You probably don't even need that much. Might can't see it, but look how it skipped a little bit, but look at that. Crisp, crisp, crisp. Okay, last and least, gold. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it, but lovely color. See if I can do it on this one. Pretty, very pretty. Shows up very pretty. Alright guys, that's the color. Some stamping on this plate. Very nice swirl plate. Love it. Alright guys, this is my haul. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.